the Sierra foothills, the climate is fantastic for growing certain varieties. And the climate is like high desert, and it's hot days and cool nights, very dry weather. And it's excellent for growing Zin, growing Syrah, Petit Syrah, even Cabernet Franc. I can grow really nice Cabernet Franc. I can grow Barbera, excellent Barbera. I can grow Tempranillo, and I have them, all these varieties, I grow them. Cabernet Sauvignon is more fussy, and I'm learning how to do this. I want to do this. Pinot Noir, I haven't even tried. But the soil is also very good for these types of grapes. It's for the most part, it's decomposed granite and sandy loam, and which drains really well. So the roots go deep to search for water. So this is what you want. So from that point of view, it's a wonderful grape growing area. Now lifestyle, it's also wonderful because people haven't discovered it yet. Now, to be in business as a winery, it sucks because people don't know about it. And this is what you were referring to. The Sierra Food, what is the Sierra Food? Well, you know, it's up and coming. There are more and more people who are passionate about making wine and who are able to invest. They're coming to the Sierra foothills, and you're going to see more and more people, more and more wineries. You're going to hear more and more about the Sierra foothills.